In the heart of America's Rust Belt, cities hollowed out by factory closures are reinventing themselves. Once bustling centers of industry, these towns faced decline as factories shuttered their doors, leaving behind echoes of a prosperous past. But now, a new wave of transformation is taking root, driven by the power of employee ownership. For decades, the Rust Belt epitomized American industrial might. Steel mills, auto plants, and manufacturing hubs thrived, fueling local economies. However, as global competition intensified, many of these giants fell, leaving communities grappling with unemployment and economic voids. The closure of these factories not only stripped away jobs, but also eroded the social fabric that held these towns together. Amidst the rubble of economic despair, seeds of change began to sprout. Visionary business leaders and community organizers proposed a radical solution: employee ownership. By transitioning ownership to workers, businesses could not only survive but thrive, fostering a renewed sense of purpose and shared destiny. These initiatives aim to create cooperative business models where democratic governance empowered employees to shape their futures. The turning point came as small businesses and legacy factories embraced employee ownership through structures like employee stock ownership plans, ESOPs, and worker cooperatives. These models unlocked new opportunities, allowing employees to have a stake in the business, participate in decision-making, and share in profits. The transition was not merely a financial transaction. It was a profound cultural shift, turning employees into partners invested in the company's success. The impact was transformative. Communities once teetering on the brink of collapse found new vitality. As employee-owned businesses succeeded, local economies rebounded, creating jobs and fostering a renewed sense of community pride. These enterprises became anchors, not just for economic stability, but also for social cohesion, proving that a business legacy could indeed be a force for good. Today, the Rust Belt is a testament to resilience and innovation. Employee ownership has catalyzed a broader economic revival, encouraging other regions to explore similar paths. As more businesses adopt these models, they not only secure their futures, but also contribute to a larger narrative of empowerment and opportunity. The lessons learned here echo across industries and geographies, offering a blueprint for sustainable community transformation. Takeaway number 1. Employee ownership can transform struggling communities by creating sustainable business models that empower workers. Takeaway number 2. Succession planning is crucial for the long-term success of businesses, ensuring they remain community-focused and resilient. Takeaway number 3. By investing in people, businesses can leave a lasting legacy that uplifts entire regions. What part of employee ownership do you want us to unpack next? Drop your ideas in the comments. We might turn them into a future video. And if you want to keep learning, make sure to hit subscribe.